Hello, friends from all walks of life. Welcome back to ImproveNation, your hotspot for personal development. Today we're going to explore a topic that transcends age, culture, and background: courage. It's a value that plays a crucial role in our everyday lives, shaping our actions and decisions. We'll delve into what courage truly means, why it's important, and share some inspiring stories of bravery. So buckle up as we dive into the fascinating world of bravery. Courage, a simple word, yet packed with so much power and significance. It's that little voice inside us that says keep going when the world around us screams give up. It's not about being fearless, but about acting in spite of fear. You see, courage is like a muscle. The more we use it, the stronger it gets. Picture yourself standing at the edge of a diving board, high above a pool. The first jump is always the hardest, isn't it? But once you've taken that leap, each subsequent jump becomes a little less daunting. That's courage in a nutshell. And it's not just about grand gestures and heroic deeds. It's about everyday acts of bravery, like standing up for what you believe in or admitting when you're wrong. Courage also has a funny way of multiplying. When we're brave, we inspire others to be brave too. Isn't it amazing how one quality can shape our life's journey so profoundly? Now, let's take a trip around the globe and time, exploring stories of unyielding bravery. Imagine a young girl in the early 20th century, standing up against the societal norms and pursuing her dream of becoming a scientist. Amidst all the challenges and adversities, she never backed down. Her courage led her to become one of the most influential figures in the history of science. Fast forward to the 21st century, let's visit a small town where a group of teenagers stood up against a powerful corporation polluting their local river. Against all odds, they fought tirelessly to protect their environment. And then, there was a man who, despite losing his sight, didn't let that deter him from scaling the highest peaks of the world. His bravery serves as a beacon of hope, proving that courage knows no bounds. These stories remind us that courage is not the absence of fear, but the triumph over it. As we wrap up our journey into courage, remember that bravery isn't about being fearless. It's about acting in spite of fear. Today, we've delved into the essence of courage, heard inspiring stories of bravery, and hopefully ignited a spark of fearlessness within you. Now it's your turn to apply these principles in your life. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to ImproveNation and hit that like button. Share your thoughts in the comments and pass this video on to inspire others. Remember, you're braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.